In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create templates in Pipedrive. Email templates are a huge time saver, especially if you send a lot of similar follow-ups. Instead of rewriting the same message over and over, you can set up a reusable template once, personalize it with a few smart fields, and then send it in just a couple of clicks. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create your first email template directly inside Pipedrive. First, start by heading to the Mail section in Pipedrive. Look at the left-hand sidebar of your screen and click on the Mail tab. This is where all your email activity is managed. Once you're there, you'll see an option to compose a new message. Click on New Email to open up the Email Composer window. Inside the Email Composer, instead of typing your whole message from scratch, you're going to build a template. To do that, find and click the Choose Templates button. This is usually located near the top or bottom of the composer, and it opens the area where you can pick from existing templates or create new ones. Next, you'll see an option called Manage Templates. Go ahead and click that. This takes you to the Template Management screen, where you can view all your saved templates. To create a brand new one, select Add New Template. This is where the real setup happens. Now you'll fill out three main fields: the template name, the subject, and the body. The template name is just for you and your team. It should be something descriptive so you can easily recognize it later, like initial follow-up or post-demo recap. The subject line is what your contacts will see in their inbox, so keep it clear and relevant. Then, in the body section, write out the main message you want to reuse, just like you would if you were sending a regular email. To make your template feel personal, even though it's automated, use the Insert field drop-down. This is where you can add merge tags, such as a contact's name or a deal value. When you select one of these fields, Pipedrive will automatically replace it with the correct information for each recipient. For example, instead of typing "Hi there," you can insert a name field so it becomes "Hi Name" and updates for every person you email. Once you're happy with the name, subject, body, and any merge tags you've added, click Save. Your template is now ready to use. The next time you compose an email, you can simply choose this template, and your polished, personalized message will be ready in seconds.